Hello? Wait, no, please. Wait now, let me talk to you. No, you can't do this to me. You can't do this to me, please. Last week, I bought you a phone last week now, please. No, please now, please. Don't. Oh my God. Why are people so heartless? Why?
Eh? Baby. What's the problem, sweetheart?
Some people are just so heartless. I don't know why people are always doing this thing.
Talk to me, Tobiah. Talk to me. I'm your wife. Calm down.
Baby, my girlfriend just broke up with me.
Eh? Desmond, your girlfriend. And are you mad? You had a girlfriend. You had a girlfriend.
Jesus!
You had a girlfriend.
Just wait for me.